Oh, then I think of when we were together. Like when you said you felt so happy you could die. Told us all that you were right for me, but felt so lonely in your company. But there was love and it's an ache I still remember. You can get addicted to a certain kind of sadness, like resignation to the end, always to the end. So when we found that we could not make sense, well, you said that we could still be friends. Told me that I was glad it was over. But you did it up to cut me off, make it like I never happened again when my friend. I don't even need your love, you treat me like a stranger and it feels so rough. No, you didn't have to stoop so low. Hope you're blessed and your witness and the change your number. I guess that I feel it now. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. Ayan na naman.
Then I think of all the times from over, and how I'm leaving, it was always right.